Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to add food stamp card to Sam's Club. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I am on the Sam's Club official website. So Sam's Club currently accepts a Snap, also called EBT cards, at all club locations and with scan and go, but not for any Sam's Club purchases. So it only works for scan and go. So if your EBT card has more than 16 digits, don't worry, they accept all cards in the app and POS registers, also available in Puerto Rico. So you must be a member to use Snap at Sam's card. So yeah guys, this only works with scan and go, so you can use for the stamps at scan and go, so you can do it from their website. So yeah guys, if you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.